Hey friends, what's going on? This video is brought by Rawfire. So does you want to be a video editor? Is your PC is not advanced and very low graphics? So this video is for you. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe and like.
Let's begin. First I want to show you my PC properties. As you can see, my RAM and graphics is too low. But don't worry, I have a solution for you, from which you can edit video very fast and which look professional. You can check my video which look professional and too smooth, the link is in the description. I want to say you that when I was starting my first video editing, in that time I was only thinking about Adobe Premiere. When I was starting to edit the video in Premiere, the Premiere is started to show me error content. This is why due to low graphics as well as RAM. So from that day I was starting this method to get a smooth working and professional video. So anyways, let's begin. First method. First you should have to download two software. Number 1, DaVinci Resolve and the Filmora. I had download already the software. If you want to know how to download this two software, go through the link given in the description. First open DaVinci Resolve and import video which you want to edit. And also DaVinci Resolve and Filmora is not so high, file is only about 400 MB to 500 MB. It will also run if you have 2 GB of RAM. Now import the video. Just follow me. Remove the video audio file by following me. So now let's begin to color grading the video. The main point of the professional video is to color grade the video. Just follow my instruction. If your video is too brightness, just make them darker, not as much. As my video is medium, I will make it little darker. Now it's time to change the color of the video. At first add a serial node. Now right click in the new node. And go to 3D LUTs and select LUTs. In according to you. I'm using my own LUTs. If you want this LUTs, just command down, I will be providing the link. Now adjust the color according to you. I am adjusting according to me.
Now export the video.
Now open Filmora, to mix the video. This we can do in DaVinci Resolve. But to get a smooth look we should do in Filmora. We use DaVinci Resolve to get a great color grading. Now just import the video, which we have export from DaVinci Resolve. Now simply cut the video which are not necessary. And you can add text too. And transition to end, to make it more cinematic. And now just export the video to get a final look. Now as you can see the video. Hopefully thank you, goodbye, enjoy the video and please don't forget to like and subscribe.